Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Like I already mentioned in the first video, now I'm going to show you how to work on dynamic addition using the golden beads. We are going to review the lesson together. Let's start, shall we? Alright, so now we have our math equation here. Dynamic addition equation. This is the first addend. Can you read the number from the first addend here? Let's read from the biggest value. When you read the number, you have to start from the biggest value. Here, from the 1,000. So what number is the first addend? 3,579 plus 2,232. Now we are going to build the number from each value. We will start from the first addend. How many units? 9 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 units. Did I count it right? Yes, I did. So I put right here. And then the next value is 7 tenths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 tenths. Right? Yes, right. 1, 10, 2 tenths, 3 tenths, 4 tenths, 5 tenths, 6 tenths, 7 tenths. 7 tenths. And then how many hundreds? 5 hundredths. 1 hundredths, 2 hundredths, 3 hundredths, 4 hundredths, 5 hundredths. Okay. And then the 1,000, 3,000, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. So the first addend is 3,579. So I'm done with the first addend. Now I'm going to build the second addend. 2,232. How many units? 2. 1, 2. How many tenths? 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 tenths or 30. How many hundred? 2. 1, 200. We put in the 100 column or place here. And then how many thousand? 2,000. 2,000. Okay. Now we are going to put the first addend and the second addend together to get the sum. Put them together. Let's count them. How many units are there now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait a minute. Do you remember? Whenever we reach 10 units, we need to exchange. With what? Do you still remember? Yes, you're right. We need to exchange these 10 unit bits with one 10 bar. Now that we already exchanged, we do not need these 10 unit bits anymore. So we turn them here. And this one, we bring it to the place value mat. Where do we put this 110 bar? Do we put right here? No, because it's already changed the value. The value is already changed. Now, it is already 110, right? 10 units equals with 110. So we put right here. Okay. And then, how many unit bits here? 1. Yes, you're right. We can write down the number for each value for the sum, from the sum, on the paper to make it easier for you to read the number later on when you're done. So we put 1 here, right? This one, 1 unit. And remember, we have exchanged 10 unit bits, and we have exchanged 10 unit bits. We exchange it with 110. We put right here. So we can put on top here, just small 110. Now, let's put all the 10s together. Don't forget the one at the top here. Okay, 1, 2, 3 10s. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we have 10 tens here. Remember the rules? Whenever we reach 10 tens, then we need to exchange. Do you know with what do we exchange these 10 tens? Yes, you're right. With 100 square. This is the same. So we don't need these 10 bars anymore. So we return this because we already exchanged with 100 square. And where do we put this 100 square? Yes, of course, in the 100 value. So how many tens now are there in the 10 place? Yes, you're right. 110. Now let's write down here. 110. Oops, I almost ran out of the ink here, my marker. Okay. And remember, we have exchanged 10 tens with 100 square here. So we put one more 100 here. Now let's count all the hundreds from the hundreds value. We put all together and we count it. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800. So we write down here 800. And then let's go to the 1000. We put all together. This is 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, and 5000. Then we write down here 5,000. Okay, and we put the comma to separate the 1000 family from the simple family. So what is the answer? What is the sum of 3,579 added by 2,232? The sum is 5,800. 110, you remember 110? 110 is 10, and then with 1 unit, 11. Can we read the number again? 5,811. Okay, well done. Good job. Next, we're going to do another dynamic addition equation. Stay tuned. Okay, the next equation is this one. Let's read the addition equation together. This is still dynamic addition, yeah? 3,000, there's no 100, so we go here. 3,050. 3,050 plus 1,978. Let's build the number first. Starting from the first addend. The number is 3,050. 3,050. Okay. Since there's no unit, so we just leave this place empty. And how many tens? 5 tens. We take 5 tens. Let's count together. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens. And then how many hundred? No 100. And how many thousand? 3,000 here. So we take the 1,000 cube. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. Now we're done with the first addend. Let's continue with the second addend. 1,978. Let's build from the unit. 8 unit bits. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's double check. Is it already 8? Yes, it is. So we put the second addend right here. Give the space from the first addend. And then the 10 we have here, 7 tens. Let's count how many tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We put on the second addend under the tens place. 7 tens, correct? Yes. And then the 100, 900. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. Did I do correctly? 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. And the second addend. The first addend before was no hundreds, right? Okay, and then how many thousand? 1,000. Okay, now we're done building the numbers from the first addend and the second addend. Now we are going to put all the numbers together, right? So we can have the sum of this addition. And remember the rules. When we do addition, when we want to get the sum, we have to put all the numbers from the lowest hierarchy, from the lowest value, which is the unit. Okay. Since the first addend there is no unit, and the second addend 8 units, so we put here. And we can write down right away. I suggest you to write, when you do dynamic addition, you write the answer one at a time for each value first. So after you're done with the unit, you write down, because it involves exchanging. So it will just make it easier for you to write it down first for each value or that you are done with. Okay, so like this one, you're done counting, and then you write down the answer here, and then the 10. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, 9 tens, 10 tens, 10 tens. Remember, you will have to exchange 10 tens with the next value, which is the 100. So you're going to need 100 square to exchange with the 10 bars. Since you have already exchanged it, so you're going to return the 10 tens. 10 bars. Oopsie. Okay, so is this the place for 100? No, it's not. The place of 100 is in here, right? We just put at the top. And then how many tens then are there now? 2 tens. So we write down under the 10 value. Okay, I didn't write that nicely. So this is number 2, yeah? It looks ugly, but okay. So this one, 2 tens. And we're going to the 100. We put together, right? Oh, I forgot something. This one, 100. There's an additional 100. We put on top of the first addend. Here. There. Yeah. Can you see that? 100 from the 10 bars that we exchanged earlier. Okay, now we are going to count the hundreds. 100s, 200s, 300, 400s, 500s, 600s, 700s, 800s, 900s, 1000s. Oh, we're going to do exchanging again. 1000s. We're going to exchange these 1000s with what? Do you still remember? Yes, 1000. 1000 cube. Can you see that? 1000 cube. Maybe from this side. 1000 cube is the same with 1000s. Since we have exchanged this 1000s with 1000 cubes, so we do not need these 1000s anymore. We return them, and no, so we are going to move to the 1000 place there. So how many hundreds here then? There's no 100, so we write down 0. Okay, and do you remember we have exchanged the 1000s before into 1000 cube there? So we put the 1000 here, just small. Okay, now we put together 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, and then 5,000. Can you see that? Yeah. And then we write down the 5,000 here. And don't forget the comma to separate the 1000 family and the simple family. Okay. So the sum is this one. You have the new number here as the sum. So let's read the equation again. 3050 added by 1978 equals 5028. There is no 100, so 5028. Take a look. Yes, 5,000, 2 times, and 8 units. 5,028. Interesting, right? And it's easy. So after watching the videos, you can do some of the equation like this, either static or dynamic, and you are going to use the digital golden bits that I will insert the link or give you the copy of the link in the Google Classroom, and then you can use it at home by yourself, or maybe if you need your mom or your dad to help you, you can ask them also to work with you. Okay, thank you very much for watching my videos, quite long videos, but I hope you enjoyed those 2 videos and can remind you again how you work with apparatus, the Golden Bits apparatus in the classroom. And I hope you will have fun doing the addition problem, either static or dynamic addition, using the digital or virtual Golden Bits apparatus that I will send the copy in the Google Classroom later on. Okay, so find the worksheet in the classwork section. Thank you very much. Enjoy your home learning program. Have fun, stay safe, stay healthy, and always be happy. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.